Let's go through an example of how to zero in a matter of seconds on your ideal clients and decision makers using LinkedIn. Let's say I wanted to target people that own food and beverage businesses in Melbourne, which is the city that I live in, that have 10 or more employees that have been in business for more than 3 years. So we come to geography, type in Melbourne, we get our location, put that in place. Then we go over to industry here on the left, and let's type in food, and you'll see food and beverage comes up. So you can target so many different industries just by typing your options into the box. Title, we wanted owners, so you can put in a few things like co-owner, director, and so forth with this audience, but we'll just put in owner specifically, so we know they're definitely the owner. Company headcount, we wanted to go 10 or more employees, so that would be more substantial in size than someone that has 10 or fewer. So we know that they're a larger business, which means they might have access to more budget. So we've selected all the options over 10 or more employees, and then use at current company. Let's say we wanted them to be 3 or more. We put in all these criteria here. You see we've got 67 results, which are our leads that we've now created. We click search, and now we have our audience of laser targeted end clients that we can now focus on the next steps in the process with. Now, if you want to go through a customized example with me or one of our team on Zoom, then you can book in a free 15-minute Zoom session, and we'll go through and guide you through this process one-on-one when we've got availability in the calendar if you want a personalized tutorial. So feel free to go ahead and book that. There should be a button or link below. And then you can go to the next step in the process, which is qualifying, edifying, and filtering through to the right opportunities for your business. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial.